What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the Informed Trader. My name is Chris, and if you're stopping by the channel for the first time, consider liking and subscribing. Every day on this channel, we go over the stock market and different opportunities that present themselves, so I'd appreciate if you became part of the community. We're growing slowly, and what I do is just bring forth stocks and different ticker symbols, hopefully something that you can add to your watch list or invest in. I'm not a professional, never claimed to be. This is for entertainment purposes only, obviously. Now let's get into it. All right, so we're looking at ACIC, Atlas Crest. This is a SPAC stock, okay? And obviously risky and all that, but they're going to be merging with the company called Archer. All right, and here's the homepage for the Archer. They are an EV company working on urban electric jets, all right? Kind of a VTOL type jet that is going to be able to serve as a taxi service in populated cities to help with traffic, all right? So very futuristic. Their technology is crazy. It says we're powering the future of urban air mobility. All right, now a couple things to notice about this company. Obviously, they're merging with Atlas Crest, which is the stock symbol that we're purchasing now. But I want to address some breaking news that they had. Archer announces commitments to launching its urban air mobility network in Los Angeles by 2024. All right, so they have some verbal commitments, some actual projected dates for getting this up and running. Archer's partnership with the city of Los Angeles will work to address some of Southern California's mobility challenges, offering people a new option to travel in and around dense cities in a fast, safe, sustainable, and cost-effective manner. Notice this down here, the fully electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft is expected to travel distances of up to 60 miles at 150 miles per hour using technology available today, transforming how people approach everyday life, work, and adventure while benefiting the environment and working towards a future zero emissions world. Here's other important news here. It says Archer's recently announced merger with Atlas Crest Investment Corporation and a $1 billion commercial order from United Airlines. That's huge, all right? Which is subject to United's business and operating requirements, values the company at $3.8 billion, and puts Archer in prime position to integrate UAM as part of cities' future transportation networks. All right, so big news for Atlas Crest. If you watched some of my earlier videos, you know that I am invested in this company. I have around 100 shares of Atlas Crest at the time. My average cost is a little high compared to what I'd like it. I think I initially bought around 50 shares at $14, and then I bought again another 50 at around $13. So obviously just trying to average down the best I can, but as you know, along with the rest of the market, prices are dumping, okay? So this is a good opportunity to get in on this company. Obviously, when you consider price targets and you're dealing with kind of unknown variables, which this company definitely fits the category of uncertainty in the future, because if they are successful and they're able to get their technology working and actually apply it to everyday lives and get the permits and the licenses and have successful transportation and things like that, you have no idea what the price of the stock could be worth. You could be looking at the Tesla range, all right? You don't know if it's going to be a couple $100 stock in the future. Obviously, 2024 is when they're committed to getting up and running officially, which is 3 years from now. So you have till then to load up, I guess. But the merger is happening soon, so I would expect a pop here in the next month or so. So if you're not in on this stock, get in now. I'm not the only one who's already invested. Let's take a look at this. Cathie Wood posted fund from February 16th. If you check down here at the bottom, it says Atlas Crest, 372,000 shares, along with Palantir and others. Then if we were to check February 25th's purchases, we will see down here at the bottom, she got another 410,000 shares. And then on February 26th, they added another 605,000 shares. So we're already over a million, well over a million, 1.3 million at the time. And yesterday's posted fund, they also obtained another 113,000 shares. Okay, so even with all the dips in the price, and take a look even now, down at $11.84. If you were to get in now, the risk is relatively low because most SPACs hover around the $10 range. There's a lot less opportunity for downside if you were to get in now. I may be looking at getting another 50 to 100 shares here, but listen, I'm very bullish on Archer and what the company holds in the future. If you're not invested, this would be definitely one to keep on your watch list, because going forward, they're one of the only reliable companies that are doing this right now. Obviously, we had the whole fiasco with Ehang Holdings, which was a Chinese company that was doing basically the same thing, and they kind of got their reputation smeared. We had a lot of investors come over from that stock to here, but Archer has a good track record, and obviously, just considering the value that the EV industry has already, and then also considering on top of that, having actual VTOLs going around the city transporting people, you really don't know how to price that in, okay? This is definitely a long-term hold for me, okay, guys? This is something I'm investing in for 3 to 5 to 10 years down the line before expecting a huge payout, because obviously this is technology that we're not using in this way quite yet. And once it is used, it's going to be extremely valuable in my opinion. So definitely take a look into Atlas Crest. Obviously the ticker symbol will change once the merge happens. The Cathie Wood and ARKinvest are super bullish on it, and they have been averaging down. They keep dipping their hands into the pile. So consider at least adding it to your watch list. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully this is a ticker symbol you can add to your portfolio in the near future. You're on The Informed Trader. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video.